How to add or remove debit card or credit card on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Temu application on your device first. You will see the option for you at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the settings option. You will see the payment methods option there. Tap on that and now to add a credit card or a debit card, tap on the add a credit card or debit card option. This will take you to the interface where you can enter your card details such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Enter all these details carefully and then tap on add your card. With this, your card will be successfully added to Temu. If you want to remove a card on Temu, then go back to your payment methods. You will see a list of all cards you have added. Tap on the cards option available there that you want to delete, and then the delete card option will appear. Simply tap on that, and your card will be removed from Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.